These videos are normally about courier driving, because that's what I do. I drive a lorry, but I've got to share this one with you because it's Sunday afternoon and I've just spent 3/4 of an hour on the computer trying to buy a set of kitchen knives from Amazon on the grounds that my daughter got married like 2 years ago and we bought these knives from wherever, and they're like steak knives, and the other day if you put them face down in the dishwasher they go straight down and they jam, and if you put them face up you go to get the basket out and I'd put a great big hole in my hand because I stabbed myself, and I went, I've had enough of this. I'm just going to get the old-fashioned knives like my grandma used to have with the rounded edges. So you get them on Amazon. So I've gone to buy them and it says you can't buy these because we need to verify your age, and to verify your age you need a credit card. I haven't got a credit card, I've got a debit card. I pay with the money that I've got in my bank. I just pay. That's what you do. You know, don't like credit cards. Frighten me. So it's like I've gone on the Amazon chat and they've gone, yeah, make sure that everything on your debit card is exactly right. So, you know, like there's a capital P and there's no gap, or there should be a gap, or there's a comma. And my address is kind of complicated anyway. And I'm like, oh, I've tried this and it's still not working. Right, I haven't got a credit card then. Okay, lovely. So we went around the houses with 3 different people trying to buy, and if you looked at these knives, they're rounded edge. I mean, you'd do more damage with a spoon, honestly. And in the end, after 3/4 of an hour, the guy came on and he said, yeah, we get this a lot. In fairness, it's obviously a glitch that's going on. So what I've had to do is I've had to contact my daughter, who is clearly half my age, and get her to buy the knives for me. And she couldn't do it either. She had to get her husband to buy the knives for me because he's got a credit card. I thought, why am I in a world where I can't buy a butter knife, but I can buy all of the ingredients that I need, like, you know, sort of like flour and coffee, which could probably, you know, turn into some massive device. And I'm like, how is it so difficult sometimes? And I thought, well, surely I can just contact you and go, have a look at my account. You know, I've been buying off you like forever, and you've got all my age verification. And then just click a box, and you go, it was so simple. This is what's wrong. We just can't get through, can we? We keep trying and we can't get through. Anyway, nothing to do with lorry driving, nothing to do with vans, just very British problems. Which is incidentally something that I've got t-shirts for, and it's like a YouTube, Instagram thing that my wife watches. Guys, brilliant. If you get a chance, look up Very British Problems. Top man. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy what's the rest of my Sunday, and on Monday, get back to taking care and taking money.